Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kolbenson. I'm making a video today to show you how to use our third-party image archiving software. And this is what you should do with your scans after you've saved them and put them on a USB if you want them to be reviewed by myself. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your computer, open up a web browser, and you're going to go to SonoClipShare.com. And this is the website that we use for reviewing scans and uploading cases. You're going to want to hit sign in. And I typically log in with my Google account, so I'm going to sign in here. Now, yours won't look like mine, but you can see here that I have clips from other people who have sent them to me. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to this left-hand side here and go to Tools, and you're going to download this SonoClipShare desktop uploader. So choose whichever one is right for your device. So I'm going to choose this. Once it's done downloading, you're going to open it and install the desktop uploader. It's pretty easy on a Mac. Once that's installed, you can go to your applications folder and open that up. And just allow it to open. Now you'll see here as well, it will prompt you to log into your account. So again, I'm going to log into my SonoClipShare account. And we're given two options here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to create a new archive. And I would think about these archives as a patient you have scanned. So we're going to create new archive, and I'm going to create one. I would recommend using patient's initials. So I have a patient set up here, so I'm going to call this OZ, and I'm going to hit OK. And then it's going to tell you to drop your clips and stills here. So at this point, you should have your USB plugged into your computer, which I have here. It's got all of your scans on it that you've saved. I'm going to grab the clip or clips that I want, and I'm just going to drag them over here. And you can see that it's added the clip. Then you just hit next. Now, this is a really nice job of automatically cropping out patient information, which is very important. If you see that the information is not cropped out, you can go down here and hit change crop, and you can see it shows the initial patient first name and last name. And so if you wanted to crop this manually, you just click and drag whatever you want to see, and then you hit OK, and then you've got this crop. Now, once you're happy with how it looks, just hit crop and upload, and it will commence de-identifying your scans and uploading your scans. Now it gives you a handy link to where that archive is, but if you go back to your SonoClipShare site and you just go to your My Archives tab, you'll see that this person is here. Now from here, what you can do is you can hit this play button, and it will open your scan like this. Now you might have multiple clips that you're sending to me, but for every scan, and for the first scan, what I'd like you to do is, just give me a one-liner of, why you were doing the scan. So we'll just say, this is an 80 female who came in with shortness of breath. So we can submit that. And then for each clip that you upload, it's good practice to tell me what clip you're trying to get and what you think the interpretation is, or if you notice any way you could optimize the image. So for this one, I will put, this is an attempt at an apical 4-chamber view. And then, my interpretation is, grossly normal LV systolic function. And if I was giving feedback to myself on this, I might say something like, in an additional comment, I could decrease the depth. I am seeing the aortic valve, so I need to sweep posterior. The tricuspid valve is not seen, so I need to rotate counterclockwise. Now, I wouldn't expect you to know all of the troubleshooting maneuvers that you need to do to get the view, but that's why you would send it to me, and I could give you feedback on your interpretation, whether it was right or wrong, and ways that you could improve your view. So once you've finished kind of commenting on your view, the next thing you can do if you want to send it to me is to go over and hit this arrow here and just hit this button that says share. And what you're going to do is you're going to type in my email address. So my email address, lyndon.colbinson@gmail.com, and then you're going to hit send. And once that's shared with me, it shows up in my inbox. And when I go here, I see here's this case shared right here. So now I can go into this case and, I could say, disagree, can't comment on LV systolic function due to quality of view. Something like that. And that's how I can kind of give you guys asynchronous feedback. And this also serves as a online logbook of the scans that you've performed to date. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of your scans. Thanks.